is it on?
Now you're filming.
All right. Are we recording?
Yes. Yes. We're hiking.
Going this way. Double black, now it says triple.
You think that's on purpose?
The bumps?
Yeah.
Oh fuck yeah, they're just slow you down going down, but they're also, if you're going up, right, say in a quad or whatever, and you get stuck, there are points where you can roll back to and get a head start, you know what I mean? Fun to get lost. Hey dude, motocross only.
That's funny.
If you had your radio, I could have told you from up there. Either way, I prefer the blue one.
Okay, let's go.
Because it's more fun.
Let's do it. I just need the speakers. So speakers and the 2 torque bolts for the steering.
Right. I'm getting hungry.
I owe you $70 too. 71. Hey, I don't care.
Hey.
You getting hungry? Where do you want to eat? Or do you want to wait for the girls?
I don't know, we'll call them.
Okay.
tires came from.
No way, dude. Gas can and everything. Try to get it out. That's a lot of money.
Should we investigate?
That's a lot of money.
Fuck, it was probably clearing the trails.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Sorry.
No, I turned the bike off.
Sorry, Eric. I feel like
must have been a scary fucking fall. Dude.
oh
Yeah, dude. I could make it.
no, he must have been here and this gave out. How do you get that out?
You need a big fucking tractor.
You know what? You take it up there. You know up there where the tires were?
But how do you get it on its side?
You just plow this out. How? Oh, do you need a bunch of people, dude? How heavy is that thing?
Fucking probably 15, 20,000 pounds.
So you could do it, right?
I'll lift it up.
I'll lift it up.
Look at all the gas.
We need Thor.
Batteries out. That's expensive, dude.
No, yeah, you don't want to leave that there.
No.
It must have just happened.
You know what you need?
What?
You need another tractor.
You know what they could do? Those helicopters, those crane helicopters, probably expensive. I wonder if that costs more than the thing's worth.
Probably.
You
Or you
come
can
in
have a
pick it up.
tractor, take another Bobcat, and just walk it around, and then pull that side. You know, where the side that's laying down, and you have the tractor over there, and you just have chains, and you just park right next to you.
That's it, Chase. Yeah, there's a ton in this middle section here that I've never done with you that's pretty fun.
All right. You
But-
want to go back out or no?
No, I'm good. I'm good, I'm hungry. Smells like propane. Yeah, they're gonna go climbing up that hill.
Man,
Yeah, it got warm.
I knew it would. I just don't get it, dude.
Don't get wet.
There's tons of fucking road. Ugh.